Hello there traders, Chris here, and today we'll go over the basics of the Japanese candlestick chart. There are a few types of charts: line, bars, and the Japanese candlestick chart, or simply candlestick. I believe they are the most popular ones and my favorite. But before we dive in, please help support the channel and give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Candlestick chart consists of red or green candles. They are lined one after the other. Each candle gives you detailed information about the price movement within a specified time interval. In fact, Japanese candlesticks are the best way to visualize the ups and downs of a price, so that you can spot potential opportunities to buy or sell. Let's take a more detailed look. Every candle consists of a body and one or two tails, called wicks. The wicks represent the highest and the lowest price levels reached for that set interval. The body indicates the range between the open and the close price for a specific time frame. Japanese candlesticks are easy to read. A green candle shows that the price is increasing, and a red candle shows that the price is going down. If you are looking at a 1 hour chart, each candle represents a 1 hour interval. The candle is green when the close price is higher than the open price. If the price closes lower than it opened, then the candle is red. As simple as that. What kind of signals does a candlestick chart provide? It is no surprise that candlestick charts are so popular. They are excellent for spotting market turning points. By looking at the patterns that candles create, you can often guess if a certain market is about to continue in its current direction or reverse it. Patterns that show you that the market could change direction are called reversal patterns. They could be bearish, ones that indicate the change from an uptrend to a downtrend and should be perceived as a sell signal. Or bullish. These show that the price has been decreasing and is likely to start going up and might be a good level to buy. Next video we'll go over the most popular candlestick patterns, bullish and bearish. Thank you for watching, and if you have found value in this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell sign to be notified as soon as a fresh video comes out. Cheers.